Okay guys, welcome to the channel. So in this video I'll be showing you the simple way you can connect your wallet for airdrop on Nodepay AI project. Okay, so you can see this is a Depin project. I've already showed you how to join this project in the earlier time that it was launched. So as we all know how the recently project launched on Solana did, which is grass, we are going to be positioning ourselves for this particular airdrop coming on Nodepay. So if you have not joined, you can use the link in the video description to get registered. So after you've registered your account, you need to install this extension. So let me quickly show you what you need to do. So once you've registered, you need to install this extension. Okay, so it is called Nodepay. Nodepay extension is going to be installed and it will appear on your browser like this. So I'm using KIWI browser, and it is one of the perfect browsing app you can actually install extensions. So you have to install this after you've registered. So I will drop the link in the video description to get started. So once you've installed, you will be prompted to start earning the point. Okay, so let me show you how the dashboard will look like. So once you open the dashboard, it is also available on Play Store, so you can earn with the two apps. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can start earning after the extension part. You can also install the app to earn more. Okay, so and for those of you who have installed the extension, so if you don't know, I will also drop the link to the extension after the first link to help you install it. Okay, so on the account page, this is the dashboard. You will have options like this: the dashboard, the referral program, mission, reward, and medal and boost. So the first one you're going to be checking out is the mission and reward. So once you tap on mission and reward, make sure you come to this place and complete all these tasks, okay, so that you claim your point. So once you've done that, you go to medal and boost. Under this medal and boost, you will see that we have some medals. You will be rewarding with some medals if you actually complete some of the requirement. Okay, so one of the major one you need to actually get here, as long as you are doing this airdrop, is proof of human. So you tap on proof of human, you'll be prompted to read up this particular requirement. Okay, so you click on verify. Once you are verified 3/3 task, you will now click on claim. Okay, so it's very simple. Just make sure you verify your email, Twitter, and Discord. So once you've met the 3 criteria, you will click on verify and then click on claim. So that is basically how to verify your account on Nodepay for airdrop. So now you can also check out the other ones. This one is to download the browser, this particular browser, and use it. Use the same email you registered on Nodepay to connect to the browser profile. Okay, so that is just it. Now the next important thing you need to do here is to come to this end. For those who want to connect their wallet, is very important. And remember, before you connect your wallet, make sure you've backed up the wallet so that you won't lose your asset. Okay, so one of the things you need to know here is that once you've connected your wallet, it's not going to be disconnected or changed again. Okay, so you have to pay very careful attention while interacting with this particular option. So now, to go to the wallet connection, you might not actually have access to this page like this until you do this particular thing I'm going to show you. So first of all, go to your setting, your browser setting, KIWI browser. You scroll down, you will see something like setting. So you now see accessibility. You will set accessibility to 90. or even lesser. Okay, drag it to 80 to 90. Okay, once it is on 80 or 90, now you go back and then you will see another option showing desktop mode. So just turn on desktop side. So once you've turned on desktop side, this place will refresh. You refresh your page and you can be able to see the option to connect your wallet. Okay, so all these features will come and align by the left hand side of your screen. Okay, so before it will be aligned below here. Okay, so but for you to be able to see this N option to connect wallet, you have to carry out this simple trick I have showed you. Okay, so now the next you're going to be doing is to install backpack. This is an extension, Solana extension wallet called backpack. Okay, so once you've installed backpack, I'm going to put the extension link in the video description as well. Okay, so now I also drop it in the group for you to be able to access. So now after you've done that, you can import the Airdrop wallet you want to use to this particular backpack wallet. Okay, so install import it, then continue with your activity. Okay, so or you can decide to create a new wallet. So once you've done that, you make sure you verify your email. Now you connect your wallet. So once you've tapped it, you wait on it. It will prompt you to log into your backpack wallet with your password. So once you've entered your password, to actually synchronize your data and give you approval signature. So once you've approved, now you will see the next one. It will write connected. Okay, you start seeing the wallet address below here. So let me zoom it so that you can be able to see what I'm talking about. So once you've connected like this, the second step is to connect. You will see something like this. You can actually copy out this wallet address here to ensure it is successfully connected. Now the next one is to verify your address, your wallet address, with the link that they will show you in your email. Okay, so once you've done that, let me quickly show you. You have to go to your email and you see something like this. Let me go to my updates. So you see the second email address, confirm your wallet connection on Nodepay AI. Okay, so this is basically the email you will receive. So tap on it and then you will be prompted to confirm. So once you've successfully confirmed, then go back to your Nodepay AI dashboard and then refresh. So once you've refreshed, you are going to be seeing something like verified. So that is just the simple way to connect your wallet, okay, on Nodepay, and then continue earning, guys. So while you use the browser, you'll be earning point. While you use the app, you also be running the nodes with the app to earn more points. So let me quickly show you. For those of you who have not installed the normal app from Play Store, let me show you how to do that. All right, guys, so once you are on your Play Store, you see that there is an option called search bar. All right, so once you've clicked on search bar and then type Nodepay, okay, let me exit this. You see there is a search here. Now click on Node. Once you are typing Node, it will show up Nodepay, the first one. All right, so you can see we have Nodepay. Click on it to install. Once you've installed, you open it. So this is basically how the dashboard will look like. There is something I want to show you here. So this is the node that is running once you've installed and log in with the same email. Okay, so this is your profile. Make sure you log in with the same email and then you continue earning. Remember, you cannot link your wallet from this particular app, but with the use of the browser network, you can connect your app and continue earning. So all you need to do with the app is to come and claim your blocks. Okay, this is the point, generating from the node on the block with the app. Okay, so you tap on claim every time you have the block filled up. So I've claimed 600 points. You can see it, it's running within 1 hour. I can decide to come on in the next 2 hours so that I'll be grabbing block reward. Okay, so that is just it. Now you scroll down, you see mission, daily treasure is this one. So you can actually claim this with him. app, or you can use the extension wallet to claim this particular one. Now you also go to mission. This is even where you can be able to see this properly. Okay, you can connect all your connections here, such as the Discord, the X, and the verify email. Okay, so once all these features have been done and you follow them on X, make sure your Discord is verified. Okay, make sure you verify on Discord and claim some badge roles. It's very, very important. So because you have to interact with the Discord server to be able to get some Discord role on Nodepay, so that once you come to this particular session that we just came out from now, where you'll be seeing badges, okay, on the extension. There are some features there. To claim some badge, you need to complete some Discord roles. Okay, so it's very, very important. So if you don't understand, you can also comment in the video description, so that I can be able to guide you more on how to do that. All right, so guys, that's just the simple way to participate in this Nodepay. This is going to be of massive profit if you understand how Depin projects are changing lives. Okay, so make sure you join the group and also participate in this airdrop. I'll drop more links that will help you to join more similar projects like this to enable you make money online.